Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the IT God. In this first video of the channel, I'm going to go over something very simple, which is covering how to map a network drive. I know this is a very simple problem solution, but for new um, IT professionals entering the field, might be some handy information, or any aspiring IT professionals trying to learn from bottom up. So let's go ahead and get started. I got my virtual machine open, and I already pre-planned or prepared ahead of time and shared drive from my local machine. Um, and I'm just gonna go over how to map it. It's very simple. And obviously this would all um, the path is all gonna depend on the organization that you're working for. Depending on you would need to know the file server name ahead of time so you know where to map it to. But if you were to have all this information, then you would just follow the steps that I'm showing you here. So we're going to go ahead and click on the computer tab. Well, actually, to start over, we're going to first open up File Explorer, go in the Home tab. Just kidding. This PC, Computer tab, Map and Network Drive. This part you can pick any letter. Some organizations have a specified letter for this set drive depending on the drive, but if you're just mapping it on your machine and there's an available letter, then you can go ahead and pick that, as long as it won't conflict with another letter that your organization might have set up down the road. So you pick a letter. We're going to put the path in. This is to my local machine. And I'm mapped in. And then after that, you'll see that it made a shortcut onto my list of drives, and that way you can easily access it. This would change the size and all that, the name. That's all going to vary per your organization, or if you make one off your local machine, you want to share it to users within your household. I mean, you name it how you so choose. And obviously to unmap, you would just right click it and hit disconnect. And if you're in an organization and you have people who just like shortcuts on their desktop, for users, you could just click and drag, make a shortcut. Just good things to know in this field, that there's going to be people you need to hold their hand for. But yeah, that's really it. That's all there is to it on mapping a drive on a computer. And that covers it for this video. And for this first video, I really wanted to keep it simple because why not? But in this channel, I do plan on going over other more difficult problems and presenting the solutions, so that people have a one-stop location onto who they can rely on or look for an answer from. And I hope I can give that to you. But any problems that you know or would like to see to be put in a video, feel free to put it in the comments or send me an email. It's on the channel. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.